He's over 300 pounds. That should really help him. He's plenty tall enough to have a good pull in this train.
Gosling with some pretty decent footwork. Has the hands moving quickly, Kaz. Look at this. He's got this thing rolling.
He's in a real nice power position. You can see those hips. He's driving hard with the legs.
Time to beat 30.06 as he stumbles. 30.06 put up by Austria's Molnar, and that stumble may have cost him.
He had some momentum there, but he lost it. He's got to work hard to get this over the finish line.
And he just misses out 34.18, so that will put Gosling currently into second place.
Gosling got off to a good start with a lot of coordination. He had momentum on the train through the middle of the course until he lost his grip and slipped. The momentum was gone. This cost him valuable seconds.
So Mark Philippi is strapped to the 16-ton train. He's got 16 meters to cover, and he needs to do it quicker than 34.18 seconds if he wants to take the lead.
Mark's got a really powerful start going. Nice methodical, coordinated transition between the feet and the hands. He's putting a lot of power through the mid-range of this course.
And Kaz, you can tell he's trained some American football players. Look at the drive.
Mark Philippi's a powerhouse. He does the same kind of training that he puts his athletes through. And they're some tough young men.
28.87 seconds for the American Mark Philippi, who becomes the new driver of this competition.
Mark got off to a great start. And with the support of his wife, Tracy, he was able to drive and power through the finish line.
So that takes us to our final competitor, Svend Karlsen. The time to beat, 28.87 seconds put up by American Mark Philippi. 35-year-old Svend Karlsen, Kaz, certainly has the experience with this type of apparatus.
As he lines up here, I see a little bit of the eye of the tiger. He knows he's got to bring out the animal in himself. He starts in a tall position and the train's moving really fast right from the beginning.
Sven staying low to the tracks, driving. Look at the momentum he's got going. This is going to be close.
Nice straight legs. He's going faster and faster through the middle of the race.
Less than 5 meters to go. Here comes Sven down the home stretch. And Carlson's done it. 25.87 seconds and energy to spare.
Time. Yes! Look up your daughter! Look up your wife! Look up your actor! Run for your life! The man is back in town! And don't you mess around!
Svend Karlsen sending a message in song. He is fired up.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Svend is attacking the early stages of this competition, ensuring his place back in the final. 2 events, 2 wins, no let-up from the former champion.